Right now, the world is focused on artificial intelligence, but the next technological revolution is not just AI, it's physical AI. Machines that can move through the real world, robots that can navigate cities, drones that can inspect infrastructure autonomously, and agricultural systems that can optimize every inch of farmland. But there's a fundamental problem most people overlook. Before a machine can think intelligently, it first has to know exactly where it is. And today, most systems still rely on GPS technology that can be off by several meters. For humans, that's acceptable. For robots, drones, autonomous vehicles, that's outright dangerous. A machine that is wrong by a few meters is effectively blind. At GEODNET, we're building the spatial intelligence infrastructure layer for physical AI. Using real-time kinematic positioning, or RTK, we improve positioning accuracy from meters to within 1 centimeter. Suddenly, robots can operate with far greater confidence, drones can fly safer, autonomous systems become dramatically more reliable, and entire industries become possible at scale. What makes this even more powerful is how we built it. GEODNET is a decentralized physical infrastructure network powered by over 20,000 base stations deployed across more than 150 countries and over 5,000 cities around the world. This is not a laboratory experiment. This is real infrastructure already supporting over 150 enterprise customers across robotics, agriculture, drones, and autonomous systems. And today, we've surpassed 10 million in annual recurring revenue. What excites us most is not where we are today, it's where this leads. We believe we are entering a world where billions of intelligent machines will continuously interact with the physical environment around us. At GEODNET, we intend to help power that future.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.